Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Tuesday, June 13, 2023. We've got the FOMC announcement out tomorrow, and this morning we're going to take a look at what has happened the day before the FOMC announcement. Let me go ahead and get this set up. I've got all four instruments. Our setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently we're trading higher in the overnight session. I'm going to add that to this test by going to gap direction and clicking on gap up. Next thing I'm going to do is put us in a similar market environment. We continue to close strong. We're above a 10 and above a 200-day simple moving average. And lastly, in the market events library, this is where I'm going to find that day before FOMC announcement. I'm going to grab that from the active today. It's the second option here. Once I click on it, it's been added to the test. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you are gapping up the day before the FOMC announcement in a bull market. Historically, we have 38 samples here in the S&P, 37 in the NASDAQ, 44 in the Dow, 36 in the Russell. If we take a look at the win rates on these, you'll see the S&P coming in strong at 63%, NASDAQ 62%, Dow 77%, and Russell 56%. If we take a look at the average moves, very similar in size for the S&P. The NASDAQ has a larger average loss, as does the Dow. And the Russell has slightly larger average win compared to its average loss. So we're kind of mixed on the average moves, but the win rates on these are all favored, with the Dow being the strongest at 77% of those closing above the opening print for the day. And that's that green equity curve. You can see it's quite a bit higher than the others. Looks like it has a couple losses here in recent times. You've got a big one there followed by another big one, but very strong win rate there in the Dow, and all of these have win rates that have been historically favored. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.